Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing this screen protector by Super Shields for the, you can see right here, for the Apple iPad Mini 6. So first we should turn this off. Yeah, alright. So hopefully this comes with some cleaning wipes because this got really dirty just in like one day. So this is like a 3-pack, so comes with 3 screen protectors. I got this one versus the other ones that I see on like Amazon, because the ones on Amazon are like really trying to sell like the glass version. I don't want glass. And the other type, which is like a gel, and then the other type, which is like matte finish or like paper finish. So it's like really hard to just find like a regular screen protector that's like basic. So this is just like, hopefully this is what I'm looking for, which is just a basic screen protector, kind of plasticky. Okay, cool. So it comes with microfiber cleaning cloth, so we'll need this, but I don't think it comes with any. Hold on, I see some other stuff. Alright, nothing else. So this is maybe like a squeegee we can use, but I think it's more of like promotion. For installation guide, it's okay. We know how to install this, kind of. I thought they were gonna give us more. I thought there was gonna be like stickers. So do note, if you get this, it's not gonna come with any cleaning wipes. So kind of just dust it first. I'm gonna give her a wipe. Got some Perel. Yeah, so it doesn't come with any stickers or anything, so you'll need to kind of go out of your way to get some tape to clean off any dust that doesn't get cleaned off. So first I'm just gonna give her a wipe. It's really wet. Alright, I think it's pretty clean. I'm gonna get some tape. I think this is clean enough. Now we're gonna go try to install. So peel number 1. I believe this needs to be face down. Okay. All right. I think I'm pretty much done. Literally just keep like reapplying until there's like no more bubbles. I think it's pretty good now. Yeah, just keep like repeating that step, and I think, let me check. I do not see any bubbles. Yeah, and this is exactly like kind of like the material that I wanted. I didn't want like a thick glass, and I didn't want like a matte finish, so I think this looks pretty good. I think for like $5 you're getting pretty decent quality. It's just kind of like a bitch to put on. Other than that, I think it's worth $5. Alright, let me clean up. Alright, before I end today's video, I just want to check out this case that I got with it. Yeah, so I picked up this case for the iPad. I would say the only thing that made it like really difficult with picking out a case, which I mentioned in my last video, is like it's impossible finding one without like the stupid pencil slot. I'm like slightly triggered about it, but nothing you could do. But this one does not have like a spot for the pencil. It's just a regular clear case. So I think this will fit my needs for like what I want. So if you're out there in the world and you have the iPad mini 6 and you can't find a case, there's whatever brand this is. The only thing is I haven't found a good case that has like the kickstand. I have this substitute right here that I picked up called the Ugreen desktop support, and this should supplement kind of that issue, because I can't really find like a case that has this that actually looks good without like the whole pen thing going on. So check this out if you're interested. Other than that, I'm going to go put this on that and then see how it looks, and then yeah, that should be it. But other than that, do I recommend Super Shield's screen protector? Yeah, I think it's worth like $5-6. You get 3 of them, which is nice. You get a cleaning cloth. You just don't get any cleaning solutions. I think if they want to bump it up to like maybe like a 5-star, I think they should provide that. And then everyone will be happy. Other than that, great product. Let's go put this on that and then see how it looks. Alright, this is how it looks with the case. You can still enjoy... Oh, I think my thing's a little dirty. It's okay. Anyways, I think you can still enjoy it. It looks pretty good. You don't have that stupid pen thing like happening right here. Actually, there is a slot for it. Fuck. I gotta show this later. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see there's a slight indent. Oh boy. Oh well. I don't know if I'll return it because of that, but we'll see. At least it's not as noticeable, but I guess there is a slot for it. So I guess I haven't found one that doesn't have that stupid Apple pen slot thingy. Alright. RIP. Well, this was successful, not the case. This thing, buy it if you want it. And other than that, please like and subscribe, comment down below what do you think, and subscribe for future videos. And yeah, peace out. See you guys next time.